Back in the heyday of trucking, nothing said large car like those great big bunks. Sure, it was nice to see big iron rolling down the interstate across from you, but when you saw one of those great big sleepers, you really craned your neck and took notice. I had one for a little while myself, the two-tone purple one you'll see roll by in the pictures. I liked it all right, but it was really too heavy for what I was doing at the time, and I didn't keep it very long. That is a drawback of the big bunk trucks. They are heavy, and the bigger the bunk, the longer the wheelbase, and you lose maneuverability with that. But at the end of the day, it's got to be pretty nice to know that no matter where you land, everything that you need is only a few steps behind you. A lot of these guys, rather than trade their trucks every few years, will keep their truck for 20 years or so and just keep replacing and rebuilding the cabs because they don't want to pay for another one of these sleepers because they're vastly expensive. You don't see them too much anymore these days. They've kind of gone a little bit by the wayside. A lot of the reason is because they are so heavy and because they are expensive, and there aren't as many owner-operators on the road anymore. Southern Pride and Reliable still run these things, and it's great to see them when you see one roll by.